Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 88. If we start with this box here, we're just missing a 4. For this row now, we're missing 1, 5, and 9. Got a 1 here, so 5, 9. 5 and 9 here. So this is our 1, 5 here, so 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 2, 4. No help here, 2, 4, 9. And no help here, 2, 4, 9. For this row here, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 2, 3, 7. 7 here, so 2, 3, 4. No help here, 2, 3, 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 4, 8, and 9. We've got 4 and 9 here, so 2, 8. 9 here, so 2, 4, 8. For this column, we're missing 2, 3, 4, and 8. We've got the 3 and 4 here, so 2, 8. 3 and 4 here, so 2, 8. And just the 4 here, so 2, 3, 8. But if we look, then the only place in the column the 4 can be is here, and the only place the 3 can be is here. And that 4 makes this our 2. So we can get rid of this 2, this 2, this 2, this 2, and this 4. And this 4. All right. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 6 here, so 3, 8, 3, 8. 3 and 6 here, so 2, 8. 3 here, so 2, 6, 8. If we look, the only place our 6 can be in that column is here, and that means the only place the 2 can be is here. That 2 makes us our 8, 2. For this column now, we're missing 1, 4, 5, and 8. We've got the 1 here, so 4, 5, 8. Same here, 4, 5, 8. 8 here, 4 here, so 1, 5. 4 here, so 1, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 here, so 5, 9. 9 covering both of these boxes, and 5 here. So that makes this our 7. That 9 makes this our 5, 9. That 5 makes this our 1. The 1 and 5 make this our 8. So now we can get rid of this 8 and this 8. For this row now, we're missing 4, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 4, 9. 4 and 9 here makes this our 7. That 4 makes this our 9, 4. For this row, we're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. For this box, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 9. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 here, so 8, 6. That 8 makes this our 3, 8. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 4, 9. That makes this our 4. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 5 and 9 here, so this is our 2. 9 here, so 5, 9. That 5 makes this our 4, 5. For this top row now, we've got 1 and 2. We're missing a 3. For this row, we're missing a 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. So to clear things up, this 8 makes this our 2, 8, and this 3 makes this our 7 and 3. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.